Welcome to the CEG Stake platform. Let's quickly walk you through the registration process and completing onboarding. Let's get started. First, click on Sign Up and fill in your details: name, number, email, password, company name, and valid ID. Add a referral code if you have one, then click Sign Up. After signing up, your dashboard will appear. To proceed, click on Complete Onboarding in the top right corner. On the account information page, click Edit. Enter your details such as address, city, and postal code. Then click Submit to save. Next, complete your email verification. Click Verify Now under Email Verification. You will receive a code in your email. Enter the code and click Submit. Once done, your email will be verified. Now, upload your passport under Passport Verification and click Submit. Our team will review your passport. Once everything is approved, you'll receive a confirmation email. Congratulations! Your registration and onboarding are complete. Now you can explore properties on the CEG Stake platform.